Greenheart, also known by its botanical name Chlorocardium rodiaei, is a durable and resilient tropical hardwood species. It is a part of the Lauraceae family and is native to the Caribbean, South America and West Africa. Greenheart's heartwood is typically a pale olive green color with darker streaks, while its yellow-green sapwood is similar in color. The grain of Greenheart is straight to interlocked, with a fine to medium texture and a good natural luster. This timber is highly resistant to decay and is often used in marine environments for jetties, piers and other structures. Tree size: 75 to 100 feet or 23 to 30 meters tall with a trunk diameter of 1.5 to 2 feet or 0.5 to 0.6 meters. Material type hardwood. Also called Demerara Greenheart, Viru Demerara. Durability notes. Greenheart is very durable and is also resistant to most insect attacks. Greenheart is also considered to be one of the best suited woods for use in marine environments and has good weathering characteristics. Strength class equals D70. Weight per cubic meter at 12% moisture content equals 1,030 kilograms. Modulus of elasticity at 12% moisture content equals 21,000 newtons per square millimeter. Durability equals very durable. Greenheart is somewhat challenging to work due to its density. It has a tolerable to high blunting effect on cutters. Gluing can be challenging in some pieces and precautions for gluing tropical species should be followed. However, it turns and finishes well. Moisture content varies. Heartwood can be highly variable in color, and is sometimes sold sorted into color categories of black, brown, yellow and white, though there doesn't seem to be any difference in strength or physical properties between the different colors. Generally, the heartwood tends to be a pale brown to olive green color, sometimes with darker streaks. Yellowish sapwood is not clearly demarcated from the heartwood. Grain and texture. Grain tends to be straight to interlocked, with a fine to medium grain and good natural luster. Endgrain, diffuse porous, large pores in no specific arrangement, few, solitary and radial multiples of 2 to 3, tyloses and other gum deposits occasionally present. Growth rings indistinct, rays narrow, normal spacing. Workability. Generally somewhat difficult to work on account of its density, with a moderate to high blunting effect on cutters. Sections with interlocked grain should be machined with care to avoid grain tear-out. Gluing can be difficult in some pieces, and precautions for gluing tropical species should be followed. Turns and finishes well. Responds moderately well to steam bending. Pricing and availability. Greenheart is usually sold as decking or outdoor construction lumber, though it's only infrequently seen in North America. Prices should be in the mid-range for an imported tropical hardwood. Typical uses: boat building, general construction, docks, floor decking terraces, posts, fishing rods, pool cues, external applications, ceiling walls panels, and other turned wood items. Comments. True to form, the Latin name given for the genus is Chlorocardium, being a combination of chloro, green, and cardia, heart. The wood is sometimes called Demerara Greenheart. Demerara is a historical name for a Dutch colony that more or less corresponds to modern-day Guyana, to help distinguish it from other woods, sometimes called Greenheart. Although not common, Ipe, Handroanthus ceratofolius, is sometimes referred to as Suriname Greenheart, while Ocan, Silicadiscus gabunensis, is sometimes called African Greenheart, though neither species bears close relation to true Greenheart. Greenheart is one of the stiffest woods in the world, with an average modulus of elasticity of 3,573,000 pounds force per square inch. The wood has also earned a strong reputation for its durability and pest resistance in marine environments. Greenheart was even used as cladding on Ernest Shackleton's expedition ship Endurance, with the wreckage being discovered in nearly pristine condition in 2022 after sinking in 1915. Thanks for watching.